My name is Adan Abdu Yusuf from the computer engineering class. Today I'm gonna make my project, which is the donut we made in the class. Yeah, and this is part one. I'm gonna start with relating this object. We add another one, which is a torus. We change it. Okay, our dimension is good. So we're gonna smooth shade smooth. Okay, all right. We're gonna add subdivision. We're gonna add modifier. Add modifier. Generate surface subdivision. Now our torus is shape is perfect, which is doesn't look like a donut. We're gonna make some curves. So to do that, we have to switch to the edit mode. Now we're gonna press G. No. Now we're gonna press this one to make it, to scale it. So we hit G. We make it smaller. So use G. We see it. No, we didn't change that much. So we make our circle bigger. Now let's look. So we might just erase more again. Now it doesn't, like, the shape is not perfect. So what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna duplicate our shape. So we hit duplicate object. Now we have two versions. So the first version will be for our donut. The second version will be for our icing. Okay, so now we hide our donut and we work on our icing. And let's now add another modifier. Add modifier, generate. So we say, no, we will add that later. So now we're gonna do is change to X-ray, zoom a little bit, and it is the x-axis. No, G and S. Okay, so we will cut the lower part. we now we cut the lower part. Let's select that again. So we hit X, delete vertices, again. Let's check now. Okay. So we hide our donut. We work on our icing. Now we switch to edit mode. We hit X-ray. Now, so hit the X-axis. Delete the lower part. Hit X. Okay, we're gonna delete the vertices now. Only delete this part also. Okay, now it's in the shape we wanted it to be. So we switch back to our icing. Now we add another modifier. So we say it is solidify, and we add let's say thickness to 0.03, and we set the offset to 1 percentile. Now we have our thickness. What it's gonna do is now, okay, so let's hide this one. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make the icing with the effect that is drops from the parties. So we say face project magnified. So we hit and what is it? Again we apply, what is it? We go back to object mode. We apply this one. We now return again. Okay. Now we press G and we drop it like that. Okay. Okay, there's one here. Did we apply face project? Yeah, we did that. Oh, there's some problem here. Okay, we add another subdivision surface. Okay, we apply to solidify. I think I applied the wrong one. So escape back. Okay, this is solidify, this is subdivision. I have to apply this one. So hit it. Okay, now it's now it's working. We grab it here. Let's set G. We make it smaller. Okay, before that we have to hide our inner part. So we grab options. We choose the line. We said select more, and we again select more and select more and select more and select more. Okay, no, one extra one. Select more. Now we hide it, so we don't have that part. After that, so we check our mesh again. We select tab. Now we grab it. We hit J and we release it. We check again. Now it's working fine. I think okay. We hit G, smaller area. Okay, smaller area. Okay. We release it. We hit G. Okay. This other part we hit G. Okay. We hit G again. And again here. Hit G. Maybe a little bit here. Okay, we check our mesh. Okay, we can zoom out. Okay, oh no. Okay, we hit G here. We delete this part. We hit G. Hit maybe G here. Now it's looking fine. So we switch the x-axis again. Okay, now we make another. So the edges here don't look good. So we have rectangular edges here. As you may see, we make it this one edge. We change it. We make it fully edgy. Okay, and we add another modifier. Where is it? Add modifier. Generate and subdivision surface. Now our mesh looks much smooth, more realistic. Okay, now we can add another one. So we apply our new modifier, subdivision, tab, apply, we check again. Okay, we have no more edges. Now we gonna select this one, select this part. Now we grab it. Okay, not this one. So Okay, now we hit E. Okay, we go back, so we apply that. Okay, now we select option, we hit E, like that. Yeah, okay, now it's good. Again, this one, hit E key. Okay, it looks good. Again, we hit E all the way up. And maybe we hit okay, we select face. Okay, now try again. Okay, we start here, we select E, like that, test it. Now it's working fine. Another one, select shift and shift, select E, take down. Okay, okay, now this is enough. So we apply the edge again. Now the edge is applied. Okay, we said apply modifier. Apply a subdivision modifier. Okay, we add another modifier. We say generate and subdivision. Now it's more smooth and looks more natural. Okay, we move this one again. Yeah, now it looks more natural. So we move to skull mode and we search for change the radius to 151 maybe, and the strength we leave it like this. So we use inflate brush. Now we move like now, yeah. So it's give it like it's there is a drop here, and we apply this one again also, yeah, and also this one. So we use levels, so we apply this one, okay. Okay, we search for grab. Okay, we use grab this one. Okay, so we hit smaller. Okay, let's make less, yeah. We hit the F key to make it less, smaller, yeah. Sorry for the notifications. I'm gonna just put it on focus to do not disturb. Okay, now we search for mask. Where is mask? So we add mask here. Brush, we use only front face. So yeah, okay. We might want to okay. We apply the mask on the edges. Okay, now we shift Control I to invert it. So we add, okay, maybe we want to bring back our mesh, and after that we hit enter I. Okay, now we use the mesh filter with mesh. Maybe we say we mesh. Yeah, it's here. So, oh no. So we add it a little bit. We change the string. Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough. Maybe we change. Okay. I think that's perfect. So we use inflate filter with inflate. So we say mask, smooth mask. So okay, so we gonna smooth this part now. Okay, we gonna smooth this part. Make it smooth. part. I'm gonna grab it. Okay, now, yeah, okay, last one. Yeah, yeah, I think we are done for this part, so we will continue again. Okay, we move on to add our material colors to make it to add colors to our object. So we select the icing, we say material new, we select the color. Okay, we make it maybe more darker, yeah, like this. We set the roughness maybe to 0.3, maybe 0.3. I mean, maybe, yeah, yeah. We can choose this color. We select the donuts. We change the color now to maybe yellow or orange. I think it, yeah, that's good for now. Okay, now we add another object. We add the countertop. We select shift add mesh and plane, and we scale it. Control S. Yeah, and now we we make our donut and the base. We group them. We shift. Now they are together. We G and Y axis. No, G and X axis. We hit G and move them. No, maybe. Yeah, we shift. We join them and we put them over the counter. G. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now we zoom out. Maybe we scale it more. Okay, this is enough. Now we change the color of our the material of our counter. We set new material, and instead we use image texture, and we say open. So it's downloaded on our machine. We open this one and we say AK. We use this image. Yeah, now it's applied now. So we go to the shading. Where is shading? Okay, we don't need this one. Just don't need this one. So we maybe, okay, we add another image texture, and we said oven. We open it. Can I just maybe, yeah. So we use the roughness. Okay, let's wait for our laptop. Yeah, it's more little bit realistic. We change maybe to this one. Okay. We change the color. Where's the color? From sRGB to no color. It's non color. Yeah, we change it into non color. Okay. So what we add now is we drag and drop normal. You say image texture. Okay. Maybe we need to make them, give them a little bit space. I'm sorry, I have a little bit of cold. I have cold today. So we open it, choose our purple one, on which image. So this is our color now, and we change the color space to non color. Yep, that's better. And we add another one. Click, we shift A, we add an vector, we add normal map. Okay, we put it on. We, we put it here. Yeah. So our counter now looks more realistic. Okay. So we go to our material. Now we go to our, where's our donut? Base color, base color. Okay, now we added the countertop and we added the texture. Now we will edit our donut. So we make it more realistic. We add the frying part that is white. So add to we go to, where is it? Where is it? We go to texture paint. So We go our mesh, we go to this one, we go to the material point, we select image texture, we hit new, we name it donut base, we hit OK. Now we choose, where is it? We have to choose one. Okay, we click on this one, we choose our white, we make it all the way this. Okay, now it's working. We choose maybe more, yeah, orange. Okay,
We set it up as yellow, but we're actually just going to override it now. So click that.
so we go back to our donut base. Maybe I will mistake. Donut base. We delete this one. We select new. We make it donut base. So we select color all the way up to this one. We maybe more. Yeah, okay. We select OK. Maybe no, I don't like this color. How can we change this one? So maybe delete, say new image, we make it more orange and white. Okay, we select OK. Now it looks better. We select this, we select eye drop. Okay, we make it more white. Okay, now where is our brush? So we apply it here. Maybe we make it more white. Yeah, first we have to save it. Okay, we save it here, maybe like this. Go back, save it here. Okay, we select image, donut base. Okay, now we start to paint. No, I don't like this one. We make it more like, yeah, this one. Yeah, maybe like this. actually I don't like this color, so we undo it again. Okay, we select eye drop. Okay, we make it more white. Yeah, like this. Now we paint. Yeah, this one looks more natural. So yeah, we save it. Now it's good. Okay, we go back to our. Okay, we switch back to our everything. Now we want to add our sprinkles. I go back to modeling. See, to make it more. And here, like this. Yes. Yeah. Now, so now we go to back to layout. We bring back everything. So we go to geometry nodes. We add new one. So we add new geometry. Shift A. We add new point and distribute points on faces. We put it here. Okay. Now it shows. Now it shows on the points. It will be scaled. Okay, we add new one. Shift geometry. So geometry. So we add join geometry. So we put it here. Okay. We yep. we drag this one, so geometry, so we add new, okay, so we pin this one, we go here, shift A, mesh, we add new UV sphere, we change the dimensions so segment is 12, anchoring is to 8, okay, and we change the radius to 0.01. Okay, now it's generated, so we make it sprinkles, so we drag this one here, so go object info, so we make shift instances 2 points, we put it here, instances, so we added those nodes, so we drag it to instances here, no, let's scale back, now since our sprinkles is applied, we can change here the density, and you can see it's all getting there, and we have sprinkles here, but the problem is some of our sprinkles is intersecting, so we need to make them from random to Poisson's disk, and we said, and the minimum, we have to change the minimum density to 0.013, and maybe, yeah, now they can work like this, maybe to 600, yeah, but yeah, here there is one problem. We select our mesh and we look under it, now our sprinkles is also applied under our mesh, so what we have to do is go to geometry interface, now we have to select icing, we selected already, go to vertex vertex group, and we add new group. We call it sprinkles density. Okay. Also we have to go to weight painting, and this one's this one allows us to only make the sprinkles on the area we choose and paint. Okay, let me paint this, and we already save our density, and we drag our density factor, release it, and we said name it attribute. We select our name and we set sprinkles density, and now it's only applied to the area we selected. So now we select it again, maybe, and here, maybe something here, maybe again here, maybe we increase our density factor. So I'm not using mouse, so my area is a little bit ugly. If we use control, maybe we now we made and we make the strength as 0.5, so we can change it here, maybe from here. Maybe on some places on the edge. Okay, I think that is enough. So now we go back to our HSP. Now we select our sprinkles. So view selected. So if you look our sprinkles, they are now they look like this. They are not fully spheric. So we said we add like this, shade smooth. Go back. So we said select. So that's wrong. Now we go to edit mode, maybe. them. Why I can't? Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. So now our sprinkles is smoothed. So the problem is when we copy our donut duplicate object. No. So we link them. So when we copy our object and we try to increase geometry notice, so here if we try to increase the dimension here, it's also applied to the other one. So we want to only apply to the one we selected it. So we said density max, we drag it and put it here, group input, and we name it here. So we rename it to sprinkles density. Okay, maybe like this. Maybe we'll leave it like this. So we go to our layout. So if we want to geometry node, so if we no. Okay, no, yeah, I was grabbing the wrong one. So if we go to layout, yeah, and we try to make it like 700, it will only apply to this one and not the other one. Maybe if we make it like 70, yeah, it will only apply to this one. So it was 600. Okay, and maybe now we can we said if we click N and choose our properties, let's say if we select it and we select N and look at our properties, yeah, it's our dimension is too big, so we want to scale it. So we select all our stuff here, we click S to scale it, and we click Control. Yeah, if we click Control here, if we click Control and input 0 point and input 0.1, it will scale it like this, but we want 1.14, 1.14 scale, and this is also 1.14, and this also 1.14. Okay, we zoom in again, so everything's as we wanted it to be, but we need to select to apply what we made now. We select everything, we apply it, shift A, no, not shift A, we say Ctrl A, apply, scale, now it's applied. So we go to our sprinkles density, maybe make it 600, so we go to, but instead of inputting here very big large number, we might go to our geometry, we drag, we add math node, so shift A, we said utilities, math, okay, not max one, we say utilities, we say math, so we say math, we draw it between and density, where is density, not this one, yes, here we said multiply, and we set the value to maybe 100, yeah, no, 1000. So we go back to maybe, yeah, it's logging. Okay, now we have to wait it to respond. Maybe I need to fix it on myself, so I will finish here when I can finish. Yep. Okay, now we will add the sprinkles, the long ones. So we go to layout, we change the rendering mode, we add mesh cylinder. So we set view selected, maybe. Okay, we change our perspective. Okay, we say add mesh cylinder. So view selected, it is now the size we wanted it. Okay, now we scale it. Please press S and C axis. Okay, now scale it. S C axis, maybe E. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, now we select, what is it? We go to edit mode, we select the faces. We select the upper face and we select also down face. We now we press B and we press Ctrl P, so we buffle it. We select the buffle. We change the ring. Ctrl B again. Okay, I think this is enough. Now we select, now we object smooth, we duplicate it, Ctrl D, we say duplicate object, we hit the x-axis, we hit the y-axis. Okay, we also change, we select the upper part, we select the upper part, no. We hit G and we scale the C axis. Maybe we make it more small.
z-axis, G z-axis. Okay, we shift D and y-axis. Shift D and y-axis, no, x-axis. We scale it again. G z-axis. No. G z-axis. Okay, now we duplicate this one. Shift D, x-axis, no, y-axis. I made a mistake here. Maybe we can just delete object. Okay, we duplicate, we hit the x-axis, no y-axis. We again duplicate, now we scale it. Select double bot, hit G z-axis, make it taller. We select the whole thing, we duplicate object, the y-axis. Now we change it, J z-axis. Okay, we duplicate again, y-axis. But now we make this one, we add modifier, deform, symbol deform, and we set bend, and we set like 29. Make this like 20. Yeah, 29. Yeah, I think this is enough. We hit apply. We select all our meshes. No, we select all our tree. We set now we add new collection. We call it sprinkles, and we add new collection again. We call it and round, and we add another one. We call it long, Also now we add another, we name this one environment, and we add a new collection. We call it donuts. So we grab our donut, we put it here, we select our icing, we put it here, we select our sprinkles, we put it here on the round ones, we select all our select cylinder, we put it here in the long, and we put it here long, we put it here on long, and we put it here in the long, inside long. Now everything is in group, it is on groups. Okay, now we select our if you select it, we select our mesh, our icing, we go to geometry nodes, we unzip it. Okay, now we have two geometry nodes. Where is it? Isaac. Okay, we go back to our layout, we take our donut object, we take our donut object. Now we select our donut object, we go to this mode. Okay, we duplicate our donut, duplicate object, we put it here. Okay, now we have two donuts, left and right. We select our new one, we go to geometry nodes. Now we have two geometry nodes. Now we have two different geometry nodes. This one is for the long sprinkles, and this one is for round sprinkles. Okay, sorry. Now we have rename it again to round sprinkles. We named the other one to this round sprinkles. This one is for long sprinkles. Okay, for our long sprinkles, we delete this object. We delete this object, and we take our collection. We drop it here. We set our instances here like this, and we set to relative, and we check separate, and we check research children. Now they are like this. We go to our layout. We select our long groups. Here they are. You select it. We select them all. No, we select them all like this. We rotate them on the x-axis. Now the y-axis. We put them like this. We go to our back to our geometry nodes. We select our long sprinkles. Okay, now we go to the rotation. Here we put on the rotation. We check our object. Okay. There's some problem here because I'm gonna check it. Okay, sorry. Now we go back to our layout. We select our objectives. Now we select them again. Select, Control A, and apply rotation. We go to our geometry nodes. Now the rotation is applied. Okay, so what's next now? What we gonna do is we will add new nodes. We add new node here. Add its utilities, and we say rotation, and we said rotate Euler. Now we put it here between the rotations, and we set the rotation to we change it to local. Now they are separated. We also add, we drag and drop this one, and we say random value. Okay, it's vector. We set this one to tfoo pipe times 2, and this one to tfoo. Okay, and we set to this one to 0.51. And if we Okay, not 0.51, maybe less. Maybe we bring that to spec 0. Okay. We also select this one with pick instances. Yeah, so there will be randomness. Maybe we can set this one to 0. And the distance between them maybe to 0.06. Hey, no, not 0.06, maybe 0.03, I think. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, what else we can change? We can change the scale of the items. Scale to 1.5 and 1.5 and 1.5 maybe. Maybe we want to change. Yeah, just change it like this. And we are done. Okay, now we will paint our sprinkles. So we select our sprinkles. We select shift, second one, third one, fourth one. No, so we apply. We go to material. We apply new material. We give it names to give a name of sprinkles. So we select our sprinkles now. We select them. We say Ctrl L, link material. Now they are all linked. So we go to shading. We select our sprinkles. Okay, we hit Ctrl A. No, Shift A. We say counter and color ramp. Where is it? Color ramp. Okay. Now we select 3 different colors. We are supposed to have offset info, right? Where's our objects? Yeah, we also add shift A input, and we said, and where's object info? Okay. Now we drag random to base color. We change it. Render mode. Yeah. So now we have random colors from 1 to 0, and now we add this one between here and here, between these two. We change from linear to constant. We hit all the way up. Set. Now we select colors. Maybe let's choose blue for this one. Okay. We hit blue. We add a new color. We set it to maybe red, not totally red, like this pink, and we add new color. Maybe we set it to like a bit of gold, like gold color, and we change like maybe like more into blue. Yes. So we change saturation. We add a new one. Maybe purple. Okay. And we set to metallic to make it like goldish. Now we duplicate this one, so we Alt Shift D, we add this one, so we take color and put it to metallic. Let's change our colors here. we set our color to all the way to black. And we remove these ones. It's hard to. Okay. I will set the pose to 0.7 and this one to 0.7. We duplicate this one. And we can make this color maybe like grayish. This one too. Yeah. We make this one to sharpness. And we change this to 0.5 to maybe. Okay, we go back to our layout. We change our, so let's look back to our camera. So we hit camera, we change the angle, so this is E U. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, now we go to the rendering. We change from GB to GPU. We go to edit, preferences, system, metal, and yeah, basically it's now. So it might take a few minutes, and we will be back after it's completed. Now we are using the CPU on the render. Okay, so what we will do is we will bring the light closely. So we hit Alt Option G. No. Hit Command G. No. Where's that light? Let me just. G and C axis and G Y X axis. G and Y axis, X axis, C axis, X axis, yeah. Maybe what I'm gonna do is set the Y to 20 watt. Okay. This is actually better. Now I'm gonna add some scattering light. So I will go to my object. I will go to subsurface and set the weight to 1. Also, I will set the whole radius to 1. And I will set this one to 0.20, 0, 5 maybe, yeah. Okay, now it's correct. I will also select my sprinklers. I will set the weight to 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is maybe 0.0, 0, instead of 5, 0.2. Maybe I will add on my light, where is light environment. I will make it like 40 watt. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. Okay, now in this part we will add our blade. So we say Shift A, we say mesh, we say circle, and we set it to 0.12, and we set this one to 100. So our maybe it's maybe like 20. No, it's 24 maybe. Yeah, this one is better. So we go to edit mode. Maybe first let's first make our donuts in the center. So shift select. So now we set G. Yeah, now they're in the center. So now we go to the edit mode and we select our object as select our plane. We go to maybe faces. So yeah, so we move our circle to the environment. So now we scale it, introduce it. So we hit E, Control E. No. So we hit E. No, what's wrong now? Okay, now we are editing. We set the C axis. Now we hit S, scale it. Now maybe we hit E, scale the C axis. I think that's enough. So we scale it and we extrude and scale it like this. Okay, now we again screw it in C axis and we scale again. Okay, now we select the faces. Our mesh doesn't have a face now, so we select options, the hosting. We click F to give it a face. Now we select we select option, select shift, and we now Control P to make it smooth. Maybe we add more. Yeah, I think that's enough. Now we go to the object mode. We go to the object mode now. Yeah, okay. Now we apply modifier, add modifier, generate, we solidify, we apply it. No, that's 0.01. So maybe that's big enough, or we change it. So let's check. Yeah, I don't know, maybe 0.02, maybe. No, that's too small. 0.05 maybe. Now we set it to 0.04. Yeah, that's enough, and then we apply it. After that, we go to the edit mode. We select our two faces, so options, select, and we Control P. So hit C to collab. Okay, and now we select all. We hit M and collab by distance. Okay, now it's good. We go to our object mode. Now we merge them. Now we apply shade smooth. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to our camera. Let's rename our circle to blade. Maybe. Okay, we select our camera. Maybe we set this to, we make it more smaller to maybe, okay, like this. We select the camera, we hit E, shift tilde, so we E, Q to descend, go forward, ascend, okay. Now we go back to our objects. Now what we want to do is we want to duplicate our objectives. So we say we select the object, we say duplicate, we select the whole object, so shift, we said duplicate, shift D, and hit C axis. So let's, okay, now we also duplicate it again, shift D, shift D, C axis, and we duplicate again, shift D, C axis. Now we select our grab X axis, we make it closer. Okay, we select our thing, shift D, C axis, so make sure it's, yeah, and now we go again and shift D, C axis, and like this, and now we shift D, we put it maybe like goes like this. Let's say y-axis. So let's grab it. So let's put it here. So G y-axis. So over here. And what we're gonna do is rotate it. Rotate. Oh, maybe now we rotate an x-axis, maybe, yeah, like this. Yeah, maybe rotate x-axis to just okay. I think this is enough. And since there's button, so let's rotate and hit R again. Maybe like we rotate right on the x-axis. Now it's y-axis, c-axis, yeah, c-axis, and we select this one. We rotate on the c-axis, yeah, like this. Yeah, and maybe let's rotate this one. Rotate c-axis, and let's also rotate this one. Rotate c-axis, and maybe let's rotate them on the y-axis. Yeah, like this. No. Rotate x-axis, maybe like this. Let's rotate on the x-axis. Yeah, and let's maybe rotate G on the x-axis and G on the x-axis. Maybe G on the x-axis like this. Okay, let's select topping. Let's go to non-material. It was maybe modifiers. Let's go to geometry. And we, instead of sprinkles, let's set as this one. Yeah, let's icing. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, I forget. Let's change the base color. So maybe we make this one like not sorry. So we hit this one, so make it okay. We set the icing to maybe let's make this one like chocolate, maybe. Let's just make it blue. Okay, let's also I don't like this color, so let's make it maybe, yeah, orange. Let's go to this one let's make this one click. Let's make it like maybe something like this. No, yeah, let's make it blue. And maybe let's make this one like no, sorry. Let's first make this one like maybe like chocolate. Yeah, that's look better. Maybe like not this one. Let's change it to maybe something like this thing. Okay, let's just make this one like yellow. No, sorry. Let's make this one yellow. Okay, so let's bring back this one to its own, to the old color. Maybe now to the old color. Let's select this one as one of like the chocolate one, and maybe let's select this one as or maybe yeah, we change this one. So maybe this one, yeah, maybe, yeah. And also let's change our let's add material. So maybe we change the roughness, so like this. Also now if we look like this, we don't have a background, so we will add a background. So we said shift D, we hit it on the y-axis, and we hit R. Now we hit Y, we hit command D, y-axis, and we hit R on the z-axis. Yeah, not the z-axis, y-axis maybe, or x-axis. So let's G and then go back to y-axis. Okay, we hit R on the x-axis. We hit control to 90°. R, control, we hit G, we hit y-axis. So we select our camera, we go closer, find E. Let's make our camera more smaller. We select camera. Let's maybe let's move these stuff to the back. Let's just make G to the y-axis. We select all our donuts, shift donut. We shift, select everything. G, y-axis. G, y-axis. Yeah, so let's check our camera. Okay, let's select our plane because it's inverted, so let's rotate it to the other way. Rotate to x-axis. Yeah, let's take it again. Yeah. Okay, now and we will edit the lighting. So when we go to the render mode, this is not a natural light, so we will select our light, and maybe we will delete it. So we will delete our light. We select world, so we will add color sky texture. So is it sky texture. So this one is uses sky natural color, so maybe we will change exposure. So is it render, now we go back to world, we go to render, we go to color management. So what is color management? Color management, we set exposure to -2. Or maybe we can change to sun elevation to 50. Yeah, it's 15. We will keep it this way, and we will change the sun intensity, sun size to about 2.44 degree, and maybe sun intensity to, now we will keep it maybe 2.44. Okay. Now what we want to do is make our design a little bit better. So we go to the pre-render mode. So we change so it's the y-axis, not the x-axis, z-axis. Now hit G. Okay, we changed the rotation to scale it on the y. So we rotate it on the y-axis. I don't think this is the correct one. So R. I think this is the correct one. So G, we select P, select side. Okay. Now we change. So we select our meshes. We move them into the y-axis. We scale them maybe. So we scale them. Okay, and now we add new object. So we add cube. So now maybe we make it smaller. We hit G. So let's go to the X-ray mode, see it more better. So we scale it to match this one. So we select the face. We select the face shift. Select the face. We hit G. Hit P. We select the side, and also we select the side. and also we select this side. We also select the side. We select this face, we hit G, B, we select this one, and we select this one. We select this, select G, B, this to this. Yeah, I know. It's maybe we select this face. Why can't I select the element face? Yeah, now I select it. Maybe let's go back to everything. Yeah, so we select G, B, select this piece. Now we select G, B, select side. We assign this side. Okay, we select this face. Select G, select B, that side to this side. So we select this side, G, we select G, B, side to so now let's change this. So go to the in mode. We want to grab this one, so we select this cube. Object mode, yeah, we hit G and we hit B. Okay, now select this. So maybe we want also to scale our mesh a little bit, so we select shift and also select this one, and we see the scale and the x-axis. So we hit the G, x-axis, something like this. Maybe we can put in the center and move this one. So we hit G and we hit B, select the side, align to this side. Now we go to the object mode, we select this face, G, B, hit G, B, and we select this one, yeah, like this, and we select this face, we hit G, hit B, select that face, and put it now. Yeah, now we go to the back to the object mode. Now we want to make a window. So what we say, we go to the edit mode, we go back to the X-ray, we select this face, we select this face, we hit I, so we select this face, maybe like this. Okay, we hit X, we delete the face. Now maybe we can scale it. Okay, now let's maybe let's now move our blade to be here. So we select our blade. Maybe let's zoom and select this stuff. Not this, but zoom inside. Go to the object mode. Okay, we select all this. Now we select our stuff. We hit G, we hit them on the y-axis. Now maybe G, y-axis. Now we move them the other way, G, y-axis, because this is the front. Okay, maybe if we go to the render mode, yeah, now we need to okay, maybe what we can do is select this object. Now we can select this object and we can maybe rotate it on the y-axis, no, on the x-axis. Now we rotate it on the z-axis, so it can be like yeah, what we made earlier was correct. So maybe we G, we move it on the y-axis. Now we hit G, P, okay. Now we want to select, go to the edit mode, we select this face, okay. Now what we do is we go to remove our camera, we object mode, so we go to the free, yeah, we hit back, so what we do is we want to scale our, maybe, yeah, we will scale our cube. So what we do is S, now we hit S and we scale it on the y-axis, we hit G and we move it to the y-axis, and we also move our object to the y-axis, and we hit G, P, and we lock them together. Now what we need to do is we need to delete these two faces from the render, because there's some problem with it. So we select this object, we go to the edit mode, we hit the 3D, we select the face of this face, we hit X, we say delete face, maybe we deleted the wrong one, so maybe we now what we do is, so which one we selected cube, yeah, okay. So we want to delete the cube, so we set X face, so we select this one, like we say. So let's check which one we deleted. Okay, let's proceed and delete this face. Maybe if we move it, G, and now we select this one, we say X face. Now we select, go to the, now we select G, P, we select this one, unlock it here. Yeah, now we go, if we go to the render mode, when we select the camera, yeah, now the camera is in the way we want it to be. Here we hit E, Q, Q, Q. Okay. Okay. Now we select this face. We go to material. We apply a new material. And we also add a new material. This we call it black wall. This is white wall. Okay, we select this one. Let's make sure we only select this face. So we go to the base color, we make it darker. Let's make sure we only select this one. So we select color, we make it yes, only selected this one. So let's make it darker. So color, we make it almost dark. Okay, and we set a sign. But everything else will be normal. Okay, we go to our back camera. Maybe we go to the world. Maybe we set sun size to sun evaluation. Let's check. We can change the values later. So now we want to import some objectives. So we will import, we say file, we say and append. We go to the object mode. So now we say file, we said append, we use utility char, utility blend, we say collection, and you see we append it. Now we have this one, so we said G, C axis, okay, G and Y x-axis, and we see G and y-axis, and maybe G and x-axis. Yeah, so what else? Let's go to sun intensity. Okay. So I also added that plants. So we have another object here. Now when we go to the render mode, yeah, so we need some other kind of light, so we select our object here, shift A, we add another light and we select area. Maybe we choose this object, maybe. Let's choose this one. So we set, now we get our area, we rotate it on the z-axis. Now we rotate it, we get our area, we rotate it on the y-axis. Okay, now we scale it. Now we grab it, now we move it on the z-axis. So let's see. Okay, maybe we also move it on the y-axis here. Yeah, like this. We make it less smaller, scale it. Yeah, I think that is enough. Also, let's go to the object mode. Maybe we now we go to the blender mode. Okay, we select the light to maybe make it yellowish, and also yeah, maybe like this. Okay, and maybe we want to change the light on our object, so we wait. So maybe we select, let's go to the edit mode, we select the angle, we select this angle, go to the 3D, we select this angle. I can select this angle. I select face, not face. So I select this angle. Okay, so what's wrong? Okay, yeah, edit mode, change it, select this angle, scale, G, X, no Y, yeah, and maybe I put it here, I go inside, I select my objects, select my object this, and also this one, no, I select my object this, like this, and I shift, if I select like this, go inside, also select this one, hit G, G, y-axis, yeah, we do like this, hit G, y-axis, make it like this, go to object mode, now we go back to our object mode, so go to the edit mode, select this angle, hit G, yeah, make like this, I think this is enough, let's go to the render mode, let's go to the composition, let's select use notice, let's change max samples to let's go to render, max sample is to 100, Okay. Now we select Control and Shift object. Select this. Our donut must appear now. So I have problem with my device because it cannot render the image, but I have the setting and I can just plug in. So we shift we select color, we no we mix. Oh, we first need glare, so we say it's glare. Let's just go to the render and set looks for color management. We can set the look to medium high. Okay, and we can increase the exposure to 1 point minus 1.622. Okay, now we shift A. Filter glare, and we hit it between image and viewer. Okay, we set the color to fade to 0.90, threads to 43. Yeah, and we duplicate it. Also here we set from strikes to foreglow. We set the mix to 1 and we set size to 9. We also shift A, color, mix and combine, mix color. Okay, and we set it here. So image, so we set the mix for mix to add. We shift D. We also have another one. and we should also add Dennis contractor, transform. So Dennis distortion. We also have this one. So we take image and put it here. We got image to image and compositor. Set this the first one to 0.010. We set the second one to 0.153. We set this one to fit and dimension of 0.010 and 0.0010. And we set the stracks to 16. And I think this is, yeah, we are done here. So okay, now we will add animation, basic animation to our project. So we said shift A, we add ambient element, plane axis, and we set plane axis to, and maybe the best one is sphere, and we set the dimension to 0.06. Okay, now what we will do is we will parent our camera to our sphere, so shift S, and we control B, key transform. Okay, so now it's parented to our project, to our sphere. Now what we will do is we select our frame. Now we select our frame, and after that we will choose rotate. So R, we select the x-axis. No, we select our plane, we select R, x-axis, so exactly 90 degrees. Now first thing we will choose, we will say R. Now first thing we will say I, rotation, we will rotate x-axis, we will rotate 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. Okay, we will take back our indicator, and we said I again, and we say rotation, and stamp, I think. No. So okay, now we will add animation, basic animation to our project. So we said shift A, we add ambient element, plane axis, and we said plane axis to, and maybe the best one is sphere, and we set the dimension to 0.06. Okay, now what we will do is we will parent our camera to our sphere, so shift S, and we control B, key transform. Okay, so now it's parented to our project, to our sphere. Now what we will do is we select our frame. Now we select our frame, and after that we will choose rotate. So R, we select the x-axis. No, we select our plane, we select R, x-axis, so exactly 90 degrees. Now first thing we will choose, we will say R. Now we set 60, we set I, we say I rotation, we bring back our indicator to like this. We select our object, we say R, we select the x-axis, we press Ctrl, we select exactly 90 degrees, we select this, we say I and rotation, we snap back. If we snap back, so we snap back to yeah, like that's our, so we said the end is 160, we set it to 160. So now our animation works. The next thing we will do is go to animation. So we check, we scale back to our, let's see, yeah, scale it again. We select, we see the object, so we delete the y-axis and the z-axis, and we say this, we say graph editor, and we scale back. and we want to scale it, so not scale it, but yeah, rotate it. First and scale it, maybe. So let's see, we want to we will fix our scale now. So we'll fix our animation. We hit, we select our animation, we hit R, so we scale like this, and we hit this and we scale it like that. Yeah, so let's check it. Now I think our needs more scaling, so scale. Now I think scale it like this, and scale is here, and rotation is here, maybe. Yeah, rotation is here, and scale is here. Yeah, and also we go this, so it goes here. We click I, we hit scale, we say I scale, we go to our start point 0, we scale our like this. Like this, and we hit I, and we say scale, yeah, like that. And we say normalize, and we are done. Okay, now we are almost finished, so we will go to our setting, we will go to our render, we set our max samples to 500. We also check the noise, we say, now we go to turn off noise threshold,
and we will set the colors to RGB. And that's on the output. We will select and TIFF. We will select our, so we'll go to Uni, Junior, Spring. We will say computer graphics. We will add a new folder. New folder, we say frames, and inside this one we will make new one to number 1. We will accept, so we will save it inside that, and we will check 16 compression. It's none. Color management, so go back to render. Okay, now we will check the blue points. So we will go to, so we will in object mode, we will seek face orientation. So we will select our faces. So we said, so we select our faces. So shift, select this one, select this one, select this one. Now we tab all. Now this, we select shift, we select this one also, we select this one. Okay, we shift N. We select the face. Let me check it again. Yeah, we go to the input. We select all. We select shift N inside, and we go to this one, all, shift N inside. Okay, so still there's something wrong. So we select it all, shift N, so inside, and we also select our plane. So plane 01, we select all, and we select our plane, shift N. So I think our plane is connected. So, oh no, shift N. Okay, we will go back to this later. So let's go to the, let's continue. So okay, okay, Now we want to hide our sprinkles. Here they are, our sprinkles. So we select them, sprinkles, so they won't be seen in the render mode. Also, we want to check our donut intersections. So our donut here intersect. So we want to select our donut. So we go to the object mode, we select our donut. So G, we move in the y-axis, maybe a little bit, yeah. Smooth it. And maybe we want to make our donuts, so we want to shift our donuts, make them like like this, maybe R, yeah, something like this. And we select this one and we say R. This one also shift B, Control B, keep transform, so shift, so we say R, yeah. So now we go to our icing geometry nodes, we go to our round sprinkles, so we make them 1.5, 1.5, and we change the distance, maybe increase it. So maybe 0.2. Now maybe we should decrease it. Yeah. We make also our long sprinkles. Aye. To 1.5. Now they are bigger. Okay, layout. Also, maybe we want to add a bigger one, a big rounded sprinkles. So we shift A, we add mesh, we add UV sphere, and we scale it smaller. G, Z axis, scale it again, G, Y axis, G, Y axis, yeah, and we scale it again. So let's see. Yeah, maybe we scale it a little bit. No, maybe that's enough. So we make it shade smooth. So we shift D, we duplicate it. So we put this another one there, and shift D, we put another one here.
check. We shift G this one. We put it like this. Okay. Okay, we scale this one, G. So okay, so we change the colors. We go to our material, we give them new material, we give them maybe color like this. Let's first select and shift. We apply the same material. Maybe let's select this one, shift and shift, new material. We say maybe also say let's select this one, new material. Maybe we make this, let's make it same color, and let's decrease the roughness to all the way down. So roughness to all the way down, and let's decrease this one as roughness all the way down. So let's go to the wall. Now we maybe 0.7, 0.73. We change this one to 0.73. So we change also this one to 0.73. Also, I also forget. Let's what we're gonna do is let's select the ceiling. So we click, we use our SM, we select the ceiling, and we say shift add light area, and maybe we scale it like this. So we go to the light, so maybe let's keep it this way. So let's maybe check it and hit on camera. Maybe let's maybe 720, something like this. Yeah. Okay, this is enough. So let's also go to our camera. Yes, that's our camera environment. So where's our camera? Let me search for the camera. It's not here. It's not here. I can't find the camera. Okay, it's selected. So let's select the camera. Yeah, this is our camera. We said, so now we add depth of field. We select object. We select the icing on this one, the front object, and we select the f-stop to let's check it, maybe 6.6. Let's check it. Yeah, I think this one is enough. And let's go to an object explorer. We go to render. We select object blur. Where is it? Motion blur. Okay. We don't touch this stuff. Okay, this is the end of our project. Now after that we will render it. So bye. Also I forgot something, so let's go to our render. Let's go to the render mode. Let's wait. So let's go to the lights. Let's go to the wall. Is now render. Let's go to the we go to false color. Yeah, so this means we have too much light, so we make it less, like this. Yeah, so we also select this plane. So we go to material. We select black material, and we okay. The whole thing is black now. So I made mistake. So let's go to object mode, edit mode, and we say assign. Let's go to object mode. Let me edit mode. We set it to white. Now we hold or render. We select to false color. Maybe we
Yeah, I think that's enough. HX. And now after that we will just render our animation, so we are done.